Hi, welcome to Prognozy Capital. Today we will understand the FII market open positions. Let's understand how FII made positions on 21st of September 2023. Once you learn how to decode the FII positions, you will able to predict the market moves. So let's get started. Index performance. Nifty close negative at 19,742.35. Down minus 159.05 points. Short build-up seen in Nifty with increased OI 475 contracts. Nifty options build-ups. Nifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 19,800, with OI increased by 415.88%. Nifty support or put option OI build-up at 19,700, with OI increased by 102.55%. Banknifty close negative at 44,623.85, down minus 760.75 points. Short build-up seen in Banknifty with increased OI 15,822 contracts. Banknifty option build-ups. Banknifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 45,000, with OI increased by 644.61%. Banknifty support or put option OI build-up at 43,000. With OI increased by 99.18%. Cash market positions. FII today sold 3,007.36 CR. DII today bought 1,158.14 CR in cash market. FII futures and option cash positions. FII sold 879.66 CR in index futures. Also sold 32,049.74 CR in index option. They sold 856.35 CR in stocks futures. And sold 46.59 CR in stocks option. Total net sold 33,832.36 CR in F&O market. FII index futures positions, long and shorts. In index futures, FII added 3,060 long contracts and added 14,408 short contracts. With this, FII is now net long in index with 22,565 contracts compared to previous 33,913 contracts. FII stocks futures positions, long and shorts. In stocks futures, FII added 1,145 long contracts and added 9,693 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in stocks with minus 48,712 contracts compared to previous minus 40,164 contracts. FII index option positions, long and shorts. Index options, upside direction. In index options, FII added 29,422 call long and added 57,820 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to 87,242 contracts. Index options, downside direction. In index options, FII added 174,115 put long and added 4,653 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to 178,768 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII is net put long as 417,808 contracts compared to previous 301,513 contracts. And net call long is 174,986 contracts compared to previous 150,217 contracts. FII net option buildups. Option buildups on short side is more than long side suggests that upside is limited. This is how FII created their position in various segments. Check out our market snapshot sheet for detailed position buildups by FII, DII, pros and clients. To get the FII data on daily basis, please join our Telegram channel, search for Prognozy Capital in Telegram. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates on FII data. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please like us and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.